I'm Erin with OnlineLabels.com, and today we're here to help you create professional quality lip balm labels. Whether you're creating lip balms for your business or for friends down the street, here are a few things to keep in mind. When it comes to choosing a material, we recommend our line of weatherproof labels. They're more durable when it comes to pulling out of pockets and purses, and they feature a stronger adhesive that prevents peeling. Rotate the template before you start designing. Our templates are set up to match the orientation of the label on your sheet, but with lip balm, that means you'd be designing your labels horizontally. You'll also want to leave some space undesigned on your template. Our configurations are designed so that they have some overlap on the ends, so if you design to the edge, some of it will get covered up. When it comes to applying your label, it can be tempting to apply the edges first, but start from the middle and work your way out for best results. If your label has a perforated top, use that as your alignment guide. The closer you can get the perforation to the seam between your lid and your tube, the easier time your customers will have opening it for the first time. Following these quick tips can help keep your labels looking clean and professional. For more information on our lip balm labels or to view other products, subscribe to our channel or visit OnlineLabels.com.